May punto doon si Pangulong Duterte, mga kababayan, yung sinasabi niya, yung traditional na maingay against the President in the previous government, including his government, yung CPP, NPA, NDF. Pero parang ang pinagkaisahan, yung Vice Presidente, hindi ang Presidente. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, ako na direct na magsabi, there is an existing tactical political limited alliance right now with the inner clique of the President na ang kanilang titirahin lang ng CPP, NPA, NDF si Vice President Sara Duterte, but that is a limited alliance. Sa isang pagkakataon na kailangan nila magpalakas, oportunista talaga itong CPP, NPA, NDF, kakapit sila kay Martin Romualdez. At sa inner clique ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr., giving them time to buy, their time to recover, regroup, reorganize, and become stronger. Habang hindi sila pinupuruhan ng pamumuno ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr., inaariglo na nila at dito nila bibirahin ang isang threat sa kanila na napakalakas upang ihiwalay sa main government. Sino yon? Sara Duterte. Sapagkat siya po ay uncompromising, very categorical, and very deliberate ang kanyang posisyon na tapusin na natin itong CPP, NPA, NDF. Yun po ang pinuruhan nila. Ang tawag dyan ay narrowing down the target. So is the CPP, NPA, NDF in cahoots with the Marcos administration? I don't think so directly. But indirectly, probably. Saan? Sa House of Representatives. Kanino? Most likely kay Martin Romualdez sa grupo niya. How? Dito po sa pag-single out at pag-narrow down kay Sara Duterte. Those things are undeniable in the coherence and confluence of circumstances. Hindi mo kailangan maging rocket scientist to say na pati ang media, pati ang other political opposition, and lalo na ang CPP, NPA, NDF, they're ganging up on one single particular target. Eliminate or diminish the influence of Sara Duterte in the Marcos Jr. government so that she becomes irrelevant politically, she is weakened politically, and she cannot become another political leader of the country in 2028. Yun ang direksyon ng alliance na ito, but hindi po yan titigil. Pag natapos nila kay Sara Duterte at nasira ito, pag hindi natin na ipagtanggol ang Vice Presidente, next target, which is the more important target, is to weaken the Marcos government and put a pressure on him or eventually bring him down, including Martin Romualdez. Historical po ang pagiging oportunista ng CPP, NPA, NDF.
No, in fact, Eric, Franco, mga kababayan, while they're destroying the Vice President, and it just seems like hindi nila pinapansin ang President, tuloy-tuloy yung paninira nila sa President. They're chipping away at it. And even with the Speaker, never mistake this communist terrorist as your friend because they have at their sights the government.
Exactly.
And you are government, Mr. President, Mr. Speaker. So, hindi nga take turns, Eric, katulad nung talagang sabay, sinasabay, mas intense lang yung kay Vice
Sara.
President, pero hindi nila binibuild up ang President or ang Speaker. Kinukuha nila at saka sa kabilang ay sinasaksak nila ng patalikod itong mga ito.
Correct.
Because ang goal talaga nila
Is to bring down the government.
and is really to weaken government, So that's it. In other words, because media is so quiet, everybody who's supposed to be noisy is quiet, that means our country is in danger.
Yes.
But anyway, it's a democracy and the power is really vested on the Filipino people. So tayo yon,
Ang reminder lang namin, before ng pagsarado ng episode na ito, sa araw na ito, ang totoong layunin ng CPP, NPA, NDF at mga kasabwat at mga kapanalig nila ay hindi kapayapaan at kaunlaran, kapangyarihan. That should be a reminder to Speaker Romualdez, to Stila Kimbo, and the rest of the clique playing fire with the real enemies of the people, playing as innocent operatives only in Congress, pretending to be crusaders for public fund transparency. Malinaw po yan. Si Franz Castro, Raul Manuel at Arlene Rosas ay active operatives of the CPP, NPA, NDF, and they're not there to defend and build up the government. They're there to weaken and destroy the government ultimately.
Yes.